the R built-in data frame kind of commands where you actually have a data frame with rows and columns and rows, and the data frame has two parts. So you have square brackets here, and then you have the selector, the first selector 4 rows, and the second selector separated by comma 4 columns. This is not R specific, it's data frame specific, and meaning that if you run it in Java, you will get the same thing with Java data frames. If you run it in Python, you're going to have the similar thing in Python data frames. So here I'm getting the leadership data set data frame, and I'm selecting columns from 6 to 10th. Remember that the position 1, the first position in columns is number 1 in R. And here I'm getting the positions, the column number 1, the column number 3, and the column number 6. And in both cases, I was leaving the first part blank. That means I want all rows. So I haven't got any selector for rows. That means all rows. If I put a selector for columns, I'm getting the columns that I'm trying to select. If I don't put a comma here, and I put anything but not a comma, R assumes that what I want is the columns, not the rows. So this is equivalent to this thing. So leaving all columns, all rows, and getting those columns here.